So, oil change on the transmission. Toyota Prius 30. It's driver's side transmission. It's a first one and second one. So it's a lower plug for draining fluid and the upper one for filling. It is also a control for checking transmission fluid level. Before starting any work, I'm recommended that you make sure that both plug are unscrew. Sometimes some of them don't unscrew. Then version is simple. Drain the old fluid. If you can see, it's a black. It's very old. It's 230,000 mileage. And I think it's first change fluid in the transmission. Now it remains to pour in the liquid after it overflows the inspection hole. It's it.